Hello friends, welcome to the Bikerz and happy Mahashivratri to all of you. We took a Yamaha RX135 almost 2 weeks back in our hand for restoration, and the bike is ready. We have painted the entire bike, we have done some work in the engine, we have also changed the bearings and a lot of bushes, we have changed the headlight, we have renewed the indicators, the trafficators, and a lot of work has been done. Check the bike out. अगर आप चाहते हैं अपनी मोटरसाइकिल में कुछ भी कस्टमाइजेशन करवाना, या फिर आप चाहते हैं अपनी यामाहा, रॉयल एनफील्ड या कोई भी बाइक को कस्टमाइज करना अपने हिसाब से, तो यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट अस ऑन दिस नंबर. You can shop our products from our own website, that is www.thebikers.in. अगर आपने हमें अभी तक फॉलो नहीं किया है इंस्टाग्राम पे, तो प्लीज गो ahead and follow us on Instagram. That's it. Ride hard and ride safe. Cheers.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. through the highway.